Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials so you don't waste time. First, open Settings and make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. This enables Windows to scan. Once done, restart the Bluetooth support service in Services. MSC, this clears hung drivers. Also make sure airplane mode is off and the peripheral has charge. Low battery often prevents pairing. These quick checks eliminate common blockers so you can move on to driver and pairing actions with confidence. Next, focus on drivers and the pairing process because most persistent failures live here. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, and choose Update Driver. If issues started after an update, use Rollback. Remove the device from Bluetooth devices and pair it again to force a fresh handshake. If Windows detects anything, run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter under Update and Security. It applies targeted fixes automatically. Make sure the device is discoverable and within range while you retry pairing. Finally, use advanced repairs when basic steps fail. Uninstall the Bluetooth adapter driver and reboot so Windows reinstalls a clean driver. This often resolves corrupt installs. Check Windows Update and any OEM Bluetooth utility for firmware or driver patches because manufacturers release targeted fixes. Once done, test the peripheral on a different PC to determine whether the problem is the device. If things still go wrong, power cycle the device and adapter. This final reset often clears latent hardware sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.